Right, Dagmar is joining me right now with the latest on this storm, and it looks like we're not going to dodge it.
Yeah, you were asking. No, it doesn't. I mean, it's been holding in place, and the hope was it would continue to lift to the north and northeast and take the precipitation at the very least away from us because we can handle the cold.
Yeah.
But it's not looking great for that, especially for, as I'm saying here, if you were to look at the Macon line all the way across from east to west and then kind of take Georgia in up to the north, separate that portion of the state of Georgia into your four quadrants. Imagine that northeast quadrant of Georgia. That's where things are going to be worse for us. However, almost all of central and north Georgia will be under one form of a watch or warning, as is almost all of the United States. So looking at Georgia in specific, putting in some of your placeholders here, what are we going to end up seeing for our watches and warnings? Well, the blue is the winter storm watch. Most likely this will extend and be upgraded into something more aligned with the ice storm warning, which is in fact where you are seeing, and sadly enough, which is what we don't want to see here, where you are seeing all the purple highlighted, the fuchsia. That's your ice storm warning. So this means that even if the precipitation falls in liquid form, surfaces will be cold enough to where it will freeze on contact, which once again is so important. Why you need to keep in mind for the pets and the livestock, they need to get someplace that gives them shelter from any type of precipitation because of the air where they're standing at the surface. It's just going to be that cold. Ending up seeing those watches and warnings staying in effect Saturday afternoon in through Sunday afternoon, most likely Monday morning. After that, temperature watches and warnings will go into effect because this rain that begins kind of your Saturday afternoon in the form of on and off blobs, maybe some precipitation in the liquid kind, then you mix in some freezing rain, then you mix in maybe a flake or two of snow. It's just a mix of everything. This clears out Sunday night and through Monday morning, but then the cold air moves in. So we continue with the satellite radar shot and the futurecast, ending up seeing what we show you now will be Saturday. This is now looking at 8 p.m. You notice how the vast area, the vast majority of the metro Atlanta area, 285 and beyond that, north, south, east, west, you're looking at the likelihood of some patch of freezing rain in the mix. So we're looking at anywhere from just a glazing of ice on the roadways to northwest Georgia, northeast Georgia, possibly as much as an inch of ice accumulating on roadways, and then also secondarily on power lines and on trees. So taking you all the way out now through Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, stopping it right around midday, Sunday 3 p.m., you're still seeing a mix of on and off liquid. Then we end up seeing the potential for some freezing rain in the roadways again. It will not be until Sunday night that we begin to see this system clear out. But Sunday night into overnight Monday, when the cold air sweeps in, well, hey, that's when we're also going to see the potential for, I'm not even kidding, a rumble of thunder. There might be a brief spin-up tornado. It is very brief. For tonight, temperatures stay on the milder side, all things considered. For tomorrow, your temperatures stay at about 40 in Blairsville. For now, enjoy the warmth, relatively speaking, while you have it. Eatonton, Griffin, upper 40s, low 50s. Heading into your 7-day forecast, what are we going to end up seeing here? Again, your temperatures now, as we head through the weekend, the cold is the issue, but really from Monday, after all this precipitation clears out, that's when we have this bitterly cold, devastatingly dangerous cold Arctic air settling into the region, especially in the north and northwest, northeast quadrants of the Georgia region, the state of Georgia, if you take it from that Macon line kind of all the way up north. So those will be the areas being hit hardest with the potential for frozen precipitation, icing on the roadways, icing on your driveways, anywhere your trees, and also looking at that colder air settling in, freezing anything that did fall as liquid. So of course we are going to keep you very closely posted. Very dynamic situation. At 11 o'clock tonight, we will have more. Sharon?
We sure do. Dagmar, thank